Got to make sure you have your Colorado back roads and four-wheel drive. Alright, we're back with another video on the Wrangler here. This one's going to be a quick one here. I just want to do a quick demo to show off the new seat covers here. I mentioned these in another video. I added these seat covers to the front. Now what these are they're branded the Bartacts. These used to be called Trekarmor. So if you had a JK, you might be familiar with those. This is the same company. They renamed them for whatever reason. I had these same ones in my JK for 3 years and absolutely loved them. When I traded that Jeep in, the seat covers looked brand new. And this is, you know, they were in some rain, they were stood on, spilled on, whatever you can do. I wouldn't say they were beat up horribly, but they definitely got some abuse. These ones I got are the black and silver ones, obviously, with the silver inlets. These were $319 for the set. That's just the fronts. They do not claim that these are 100% waterproof due to the stitching. They have ones that don't have any of this stitching in there that they do say is 100% waterproof, but between these and then just having the regular cloth seats underneath it, I don't plan on leaving it in the rain overnight or anything like that. These are just mostly just to protect the seats, and you know, if you get caught in a rainstorm, spill something, whatever, no big deal. The material on these is great. There's really not a good way to demo the thickness of it, but it's pretty thick stuff. They fit on there, as you can see, they look perfect. There's no wrinkles or anything. Getting them on's a bit tough. You got to put the seat all the way back and kind of pull them from the front and the back one by one. If you check this out, you've got all your webbing all the way up and down the back, and it comes with 2 bags. So what I actually did was I put the 2 bags on one side, and then I used their old style Trekarmor one for my old JK. It's a little bit bigger one. Not as good though. They've improved the bags on these. I think you can actually still see it say Trekarmor in here. Yeah. And then the Jeep toolkit fits perfectly on here. Anytime I want to get anything on here, just open it up, close it back. These also have these big zip-up pouches here. A really awesome book. I won't get too involved in it, but it's got maps, trails. Sorry, you probably can't see anything with the sun. I mean, you can go anything here. There's your webbing, your zipper pockets here. And then another thing to note too is these are airbag compatible, since these do have the side airbag. So if you look, this is basically just a flap that kind of loosely sits here, and you just kind of tuck it back into here, and that's so the airbags go off. I don't know where they come out of, but this won't inhibit the airbag whatsoever. If you see with just my hand, I can just move this super easy. So, and one last thing I want to show is I forgot to mention the front pocket zipper. So each side has a pretty decent sized zipper in here.